Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss why you should think twice before buying a luxury car like a Mercedes-Benz. Luxury cars like Mercedes-Benz, BMW and Audi promise a high-end driving experience, but they come with hidden costs, rapid depreciation, and expensive maintenance that many buyers overlook. Below is a detailed breakdown of why buying a luxury car might not be the smartest financial decision. High maintenance and repair costs. Luxury vehicles require specialized maintenance, which is significantly more expensive than regular cars. Why is Mercedes maintenance so expensive? Specialized parts? Genuine Mercedes parts can be 2 to 3 times more expensive than those of non-luxury brands. Dealership repairs? Mercedes cars often require dealership service, which charges a premium. Frequent maintenance. Mercedes vehicles have shorter service intervals than mainstream brands. Common Mercedes repair costs. Oil change, $150 to $400 versus $40 to $70 for a Toyota. Brake replacement, $1,000 or more versus $300 to $500 for a Honda. Transmission repair, $5,000 or more versus $2,500 to $3,500 for a Nissan. Air suspension repair, $3,000 to $7,000. Rapid depreciation. Luxury cars depreciate much faster than regular vehicles, making them a poor long-term investment. Why do luxury cars depreciate fast? High initial cost, fewer buyers can afford used luxury cars, reducing demand. Expensive repairs. Many buyers avoid used Mercedes models due to costly maintenance. Tech becomes outdated quickly. Advanced infotainment and driver assist features lose appeal after a few years. Depreciation example, a 5-year-old Mercedes versus a Toyota. Mercedes-Benz E-Class, $65,000 down to $25,000, a 62% drop. Toyota Camry, $35,000 down to $23,000, a 34% drop. Key takeaway: a Toyota holds its value better than a Mercedes, making it a smarter financial choice. Expensive insurance costs. Luxury vehicles are significantly more expensive to insure because they require costly repairs, are more likely to be stolen, and have high-tech features that are expensive to replace. Insurance cost comparison, annual premium, Mercedes-Benz C-Class, $2,500 to $3,500, Toyota Corolla, $1,200 to $1,800, Honda Accord, $1,500 to $2,000. Complex technology that becomes a liability. Luxury cars come with cutting-edge features, but these can become costly to repair as they age. Common Mercedes tech failures include infotainment system issues, where the command system often malfunctions and costs $3,000 to $5,000 to replace. Air suspension failures are also common. The Airmatic suspension is prone to leaks and costs $3,000 to $7,000 to repair. Additionally, some models develop turbo and transmission problems that cost $5,000 or more to fix. The key issue here is, the more advanced the car, the more things that can break over time. High fuel and running costs. Luxury cars consume more fuel due to their high-performance engines and heavy weight. Let's look at a fuel cost comparison. For the Mercedes-Benz GLE 450 Premium, it gets 19 miles per gallon in the city, and 26 on the highway, with an estimated annual fuel cost of $2,500 or more. On the other hand, the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid, which uses regular fuel, gets 41 miles per gallon in the city, and 38 on the highway, with an estimated annual fuel cost of about $1,200. Most Mercedes models require premium fuel, which costs 50 cents to $1 more per gallon than regular gas. Not as reliable as expected. Many people assume luxury cars are more reliable, but Mercedes has below-average reliability compared to Toyota, Honda, and Lexus. Common reliability issues with Mercedes-Benz include electronic failures like sensors, infotainment, and power windows. There are also frequent oil leaks and turbocharger problems, along with expensive engine and transmission repairs. Looking at reliability rankings from J.D. Power and Consumer Reports, Lexus scores 85 out of 100, Toyota scores 82, Honda scores 78, and Mercedes-Benz scores just 56. The key issue is that Mercedes is less reliable than mainstream brands, leading to higher repair costs. A Mercedes-Benz is, undoubtedly, a luxury status symbol. But many of its features can actually be found in cheaper alternatives. Let's take a look at some options that offer similar features at a lower price. Consider the Lexus ES 350 for luxury and reliability. The Genesis G80 provides affordable luxury. If you're into performance and tech, the Acura TLX is a great pick. And for luxury features at half the cost, you might want to check out the Toyota Camry XSE. The key takeaway here is, if you want luxury without the high costs, consider a Lexus or Genesis instead. If you enjoy modifying or customizing your car, a Mercedes is not ideal because aftermarket parts are expensive and limited. Performance tuning requires specialized software, and OEM parts are costly to replace if damaged. For example, a performance tune on a Toyota might cost between $500 to $1,000, while on a Mercedes, it can exceed $3,000. Luxury cars, like a Mercedes, are harder to sell because buyers often fear high maintenance costs. Depreciation makes them less attractive in the used market, and dealerships tend to offer low trade-in values for luxury cars. For instance, a 5-year-old Mercedes-Benz E-Class may only be worth 30 to 40% of its original price, making resale a real challenge. The key issue here is that reselling a Mercedes is much harder than reselling a Honda or Toyota. You should only buy a Mercedes-Benz if you can easily afford the high maintenance, insurance, and depreciation costs. If you value prestige and luxury over cost-effectiveness, or if you lease instead of buying to avoid long-term depreciation, it might make sense. Also, getting a certified pre-owned model with an extended warranty is a good idea. But, let's be honest, for most people, buying a Mercedes is not a smart financial decision because of high maintenance and repair costs, rapid depreciation, expensive insurance and fuel, complicated technology that fails over time, and below-average reliability. If you want a luxury experience without the headaches, consider Lexus for more reliable luxury, Genesis for luxury at a lower price, Acura for sporty and reliable options, or fully loaded Toyota or Honda models for great features at half the cost. Would you like recommendations based on your budget and needs?